So I got something cool to show you. We got this small Gamera heater. It's called the Tiny. It's got pretty much everything. The big one has the 7 is the current model of the big one, but this is the Tiny. And it's really good for a tiny house. It has the name Tiny. This is our burn chamber, our feed tube. This is a nice little mailbox setup. I've got a little handle on order for that. And for this nice glass here lets you see the fire while you're sitting there getting warm. And this little door makes it really easy to clean out the ashes and to light the thing. I really like this design for that reason. It's got these legs here that are on backward for shipping. Down here, we just unscrew them and screw them into the bottom to get this up off the floor a bit because it gets a little warm under there. But that's what a hearth is for. It's got this funky piece of glass up here. I'm not sure how I feel about this glass. It's really cute when it's like reflecting light off the ceiling, but it also gets covered with a little bit of schmutz pretty easy. This is what it looks down inside. This insulated refractory burn chamber and heat riser is the bomb. This is my favorite design for a reliable rocket heater. These are safety tested and listed in the EU. We're working on that for the United States. They're also tested for emissions in the EU. We're working on that for the United States. And it burns very clean, a lot cleaner than your normal wood stove. And it uses very, very little wood. I heat my house with little bits of wood like this. It's about 30 bucks a cord instead of 300 bucks a cord like white oak. And we've been really happy heating our house as a test with a Gamera 5. We've got this little jobby for showing at the fairs because it's easier to schlep around. This helps you lift it and move it around, but it also makes it harder to burn yourself against it or whatever. It's got a 5-inch exhaust because that's metric. Actually, it's in standard in the EU. There's easily an adapter to plug into that to go to a standard 6-inch. It comes with this piece of steel in case your local inspector doesn't like high temperature glass on the top. You can pop this in instead. And there we go. That's the Tiny Gamera. We look forward to bringing a lot more of these in the United States sometime. But right now, it's good for a tiny house or a camp stove. It's a hell of a camp stove. I've heated entire school buses with this. So, thanks for watching.